Welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today we are going to prepare a quick snack chicken cutlets or patties which have a crispy crust with tender juicy minced chicken filling inside. So let's go to the procedure. Here I am taking 250 grams of minced chicken in a mixing bowl. I am going to add in half a cup of finely chopped onions. Next, let's add few spices. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of chicken masala, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, some salt to taste. Beat 1 egg into this mixture. 1 cup of breadcrumbs, some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Now, use your hands and mix everything together. Ensure all the spices are well combined in the chicken mixture. Now, take some oil between your palms and rub your hands with it. Now take a dollop of prepared mixture into your hand. First, shape them as a ball. Then flatten it on your palm and give them the shape of a tikki or a cutlet. Now dip them in the egg mixture completely and next coat it with the breadcrumbs on both the sides. Ensure the tikkis are completely coated with the breadcrumbs. Now use both your hands to give them a perfect shape. Do the same to the rest. And once they are ready, place in the freezer for 15 minutes. Heat oil and drop the cutlets in the oil slowly. Once they turn golden brown in color, flip them and fry them on the other side. Once both the sides are cooked, transfer them to a plate with paper towel to remove excess oil. You can see they are very crispy outside. Our chicken keema cutlets are ready to serve. Serve them hot with some tomato ketchup or dip of your choice. You can also use the leftover cutlets to prepare a burger or a wrap. Do try this recipe and share your comments. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!